So there are two types of surrealism. There's automatism and there's veristic. And they both have their own realm, their own purpose, and their own function. So let's start with Veristic Surrealism. This is dreamlike surrealism. This is the work of Salvador Dali, or early Max Ernst, or René Magritte. And Freud believed that dreams revealed the workings of the unconscious. And his famous book, The Interpretation of Dreams, was central to surrealism. So when you think of surrealism, if you see something that's more of a dream state, or if you want to cheat and sort of use a different heuristic, you can look at in terms of realism. Is it realistic? Not obviously are clocks that melt realistic, but is it painted in a realistic sense? If it is, then it's probably veristic. The other type is automatism, or automatic surrealism. And this is the work of Max Ernst later in his career, or Jean Miro. And the idea here was based on Freud's technique of free association. What they're going to do is they're going to reveal the unconscious mind, generally by drawing without really having a direction, sometimes drawing while doing other things. But there's always something that is distracting their conscious mind while they're doing the drawing without being able to see it. And then they see what images come out of it. The idea of the unconscious automatically coming out. And actually, you can experiment with it, or maybe you've had this experience where you're taking a test and you're moving through it very quickly, you're getting the answers very quickly, and the only questions you get wrong are the ones where you stopped and you actually consciously thought. That's because your subconscious and unconscious move much faster, but they can only be brought out when you increase the speed or when you distract the conscious mind. So that's what they're doing here. They're trying to bring out unconscious thought. They'll have a number of other ways of doing that as well.